What's better than playing some of the greatest games of all time on one of the best-selling gaming consoles? Installing a desktop operating system. Imagine the possibilities. Turquoise, moving a mouse, typing, whatever this is. The possibilities could be endless, just like my levels of insanity. But how can we accomplish such a task? Oh, dang it. The Rufus USB. On this USB, I have PS2 DOSBox, which is a port of PSP DOSBox, which is then a port of another version of DOSBox. And also, this contains pain and suffering. Oh, what do you mean about that, Jace? Well, I'll tell you. You see, the PS2 has a USB bandwidth of like 1.5 megabytes per second, which is insanely slow. Like, almost slower than a CD slow. It's like trying to shove chapstick down my throat. Except it doesn't taste as good. Anyway, I guess we should get started. Oh, and I gotta break out the world's worst capture card again. Yeah, this is from Temu. It was $5. It has no writing on it, and all the capture bits are in here. In you go. There, now you can see. Insert me into the orifice. Controller acquired. So on the Rufus, we have a very legitimate backup of the Windows 95 install files within a virtual 2 gigabyte hard disk image. And then we have Microsoft DOS, which is going to actually launch those files. Insert. Oh, perfect. Into W launch elf we go. Oh yeah, my PS2 is modded. You should watch this video to find out how that happened. Oh, hello, DOSBox. You look very good and not de-interlaced badly at all. Oh, nice. It looks like we have switched fields. I think we need a keyboard. And we're also gonna need a mouse. There's not enough USB ports and I don't have a hub available. This thing is terrible. I hope the PS2 can recognize this as both a mouse and a keyboard. Wow, that USB port is tight. Also, scan this QR code for your ears to feel very good. Hello? Oh, hell yeah. Illegal command hello. It's time to type the world's second longest command. This is mounting DOS. We have to boot that in order to boot Windows 95. Boom. DOS has been mounted. Now for the Windows 95 hard drive. Oh yeah, and when I said that last command was the world's second longest command, this one's first in that list. Enter. Oh. I've never seen DOSBox take this long to mount a drive, even on the 3DS. Good job, USB drive. You're doing fine. That text is very legible. Hey, look, it mounted successfully. Awesome. Well, I guess our only choice now is to try to boot it and install it. Starting MS-DOS. Now that that's booted, we can boot Windows 95. My dreams could never be more fulfilled in this very moment. Nothing has come close. See? It sees it. Set up. And now we wait until the heat death of the universe. You know, this is going pretty well so far. I can't wait till later where everything doesn't. Seb is now going to perform a routine check on your system. No, please don't. No, please. It has to, but no. No, it's gonna take so long. Yes, media descriptor. My favorite scan disk. You gonna load anything else there, buddy? Oh, wow. Yeah, it's scan disking all right. Probably like 10 times slower than I've ever seen it do before. And it's all because of this thing. Yeah, I probably should have just moved all these files into the internal hard drive I installed in here. But hey, we'll deal with that later. Surely the performance can't be too bad in the operating system, right? What does Windows 95 even need to write and read? It's gonna take 45 minutes to open Paint. We can just stare at turquoise for a few hours, it's fine. I don't think we're even a third through this. You know what? It's been like 20 minutes. We're putting the files on the hard drive. Just kidding. Behold, the hard drive. Into the enclosure with you. Oh! They keep coming back. I can't get rid of them. They're in my walls and my teeth. And there's one in my pant leg. Ah! Okay, hard drive. Try not to corrupt challenge 1 million. Yeah, we gotta make a new partition called plus DOSBox in all caps. And then DOSBox is supposed to just mount it. Maybe? Oh, cool. I forgot this program does this. Every game is a partition on here, and this program likes to slowly scan every single one of them when I click this button. Okay, finally. Hopefully, when I click this button, it doesn't absolutely combust and ruin everything that I've set up. Partition was successful. That's amazing. And now it's scanning every partition on the hard drive again. Hey, it's done. I'm only 60 years older now. You have any ointment? Cream for my skin? Would help with the cracking. Hey. Anyway, we want all this in there. Invalid Microsoft DOS function. What? Why? Try again? No. Skip it. Okay. Yeah, it's... Oh, wow. What is this file system? Why is it so slow? I can hear the hard drive physically writing each file. Would it have been faster to just transfer all this with the PS2's USB port? Invalid MS-DOS function. Okay, I'm doing that. Cancel. Yes, this came from an iMac, by the way. Let's get you back in your orifice. 500 kilobytes per second? Oh god. 1 hour. It's done! And I replaced a shower head, and now there is rubber between my fingernails. I washed them for like 5 minutes and it didn't come off. It did in fact take an hour. Probably more. I don't know. This thing said it supported loading off an HDD. Where is it? Oh, there it is! Hey! Oh yeah, that mounted way faster than before. This is gonna go great. I can feel it. Hey, that's slightly faster. Instead of 1 file per second, we're getting like 5 files per second. Good enough. Now I won't be 37 by the time it's done. Oh, setup is initializing. But wait, why is there a GameCube controller on the screen? This is a PS2 video. Let me talk about it. Nixie Gaming has sent me their new Warrior Bluetooth controller. I've always found the regular Switch Pro controller to be a bit lacking in features. Sure, it's got all the buttons, but no analog triggers, bad D-pad, and squishy buttons overall has left me disappointed. Well, here's where the new Nixie Warrior controller comes to shine. This controller is packed with all the standard features like HD rumble, gyroscope, and the ability to wake your Switch without getting up. But Nixie knew what was missing. A Switch controller with analog triggers, Hall effect joysticks, tactile micro switches, all in the shape of the glorious GameCube controller? The prophecy couldn't possibly be more fulfilled. I bet your Joy-Cons are just drifting with joy at the thought of this. Finally, they can be put out of their misery. Yeah, this controller's got it all. Did I mention the interchangeable back paddles and sticks? But it's not just limited to the Switch. It works with the GameCube, Wii, and even PC. 4K Wind Waker with actual one-to-one buttons, anyone? Finally, I can say goodbye to trying to map my disintegrating Xbox controller to GameCube games. Anyway, if you're interested, check out the link in the description and get 10% off. Plus, it helps support the channel. Now back to your regularly scheduled chaos. Hey look, it's still copying files needed for Windows setup. What? Why did it crash? I mean, it did say simple games should work. It's bugged and not finished, ported for fun, use at own risk. Is Windows 95 a simple game? It is in my head. It crashed again. Why do you do this to me, PS2? Why? Okay, new plan. We try Windows 3.1. I just need to see if this is even working right, because Windows 3.1 is actually meant to work in DOSBox, unlike Windows 95. So I've already got the files in here. I just have to mount them. Let's go to C. What's in there? I don't know why I just choked on. Setup. Wow. It just works. No, it doesn't. What? Setup is unable to copy the file? What do you mean? What does that even say? com.derv. This file already exists in the destination. Okay. I must remove the read-only attributes. What? Why would it be read-only? That doesn't make any sense. How do we remove the read-only attributes? Here. I don't know if that's doing anything. It's not giving me an output. I'm trying again, although I don't think what I did actually did anything. Okay, obviously that didn't work. I have an idea. Goodbye, Windows. Did it delete it? It's still there. Unable to remove Windows. Why? Okay, new plan. Box. No, not that box. This box. So Bochs is like DOSBox, except it's spelled wrong and doesn't have DOS in front of it. Also, it's an x86 emulator, so that's same thing. All right, we've got our C drive in here, floppy boot disk in here, and the Windows 95 CD. That's right, Bochs works with CDs. I don't have to copy the entire contents to the hard drive anymore. Okay, PS2, your destiny awaits you for the 500th time. Oh, and I have no idea if Bochs supports the hard drive, so slow USB. Please work, or I'll kill that one. At the very least, everything should be just mounted properly. Oh, that is some text. Oh, it's very blurry. Booting from floppy. Oh, that's good. Wait, starting Windows 95? What? What do you mean starting Windows? Oh, it's boot. Oh, right. This is the Windows 95 boot disk. This is not DOS anymore. I can't read any of that. The text is much smaller than it was before. I'm gonna assume that I'm gonna press enter on the correct thing. Did it work? I pressed enter and it's not doing anything. Drive is not blinking.
It's not working. This better work before Kermit the Frog has to take it out on Miss Piggy by beating her.
Moving this around, enter a bunch of times. Nothing. All right. Let's just try again. That's not insanity, right? Not insane? I'm perfectly sane. What are you talking about? Okay, maybe it only sees a USB keyboard in the first slot. This could be part of the reason why it didn't boot. Here's hoping. This poor 18-year-old iMac hard drive in here is having the most reboot cycles it has ever had in its entire life in the last, like, 10 hours. So wait, does this work now? Oh, now it works. Okay, all right. Hey, it's doing it. I think the only reason it didn't work was because this thing wasn't being detected. Cool. Oh, we're in DOS. Does it work? I just gave myself a migraine. You see C? Is there anything in C? There shouldn't be. What, why, wait, why is there stuff in C? Wait, did I somehow get the Windows 95 install files in here already? I don't remember doing that. This drive is supposed to be empty. No, C is the CD-ROM now. That's weird. Okay, so we just have the Windows 95 boot disk and the installer CD. Where is the hard drive? Interesting. Is it in B? I have no idea what that says. It's in Minecraft enchantment table. I can't read that. DIR, what is it even? Oh man, oh wow. I just watched Microsoft DOS load things at like 2 frames per second. Let that sink in, and now let the fact that we're about to run Windows 95 on this very same thing also sink in. Okay, B is just A. I seem to have moved the floppy disk to slot B now. Can I do F disk? Divide by 0? I didn't try to divide by 0? What? What happens if I just run the Windows 95 setup? What is it gonna do? It's loading. That's good. Very skeptical. Cannot create a temporary directory. Oh yeah, because it's trying to write it to a CD. Of course it can't. All right, I have to figure out why this is mounted as the C drive instead of D. First time's the charm, right? I just changed a bunch of stuff and surely it'll work. I can't wait to see how many errors this spits out. Oh hey, a black screen. What a big, humongous surprise. I made it worse. Cool, this is all it does now. God damn it, I wasn't recording. Okay, we just did a bunch of stuff, and it's still not working, so I guess it doesn't matter. And I've been at this for like 3 hours. So now, I just had the brilliant idea to just shove the Windows 95 installer files into the virtual hard drive image with Power ISO. Again, like I had to do with DOSBox. Remember how excited I was that this supported CD-ROMs? Yeah, not anymore. Also, I'm taking away the drive geometry data, because why not? You don't need to know how to read this hard drive image. And also, since this is the only ATA device, we should not see any mystery CD-ROMs showing up. And now let's try to boot it. Oh, it loaded. Oh, and it sees the hard drive. What? Okay, so this entire like 3 hours I've been trying to figure out this dumb black screen thing has been because of the drive geometry that I assumed it needed. What does that mean? What is all this? No driver found banana. Okay, we don't need a frickin' banana. Yeah, there is not a CD-ROM drive in there anymore. You got that right, Microsoft DOS. C, colon. I don't see your colon. Oh my god. You ever reading fixed disks? Okay. Format C, invalid drive specifier. Is there a D? Man, I don't even know what's happening anymore. I don't know, man. Do you want a new C drive? Here, have it. You don't get the formatted one anymore. Oh, drive R. What do you mean drive R? There's not a CD-ROM in here. What are you hallucinating? Oh, no, I see. Microsoft had plans for Copilot all along. I see now. What's in drive R? Nothing, because there's nothing in it. What am I F-disking right now? Current fixed drive 1. Oh wait, now it sees it. What did it just format it as? Yes, of course there's no operating system. What? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna change the boot order again. Floppy disk. I'm gonna cooperate now, Bochs. It's fine if you don't want to, but it's also not fine. Okay, we're back to this again. Do you see C? Hello, mouse, keyboard, C. Oh my god, it sees it. I think we fixed it. I think the other C drive was corrupt. Yay! It worked! But obviously there's nothing in there because it's just a blank disk. And apparently drive R is the CD-ROM. I don't know why or what it's doing with that, but whatever. Banana. Yes, the banana unit. My favorite unit of a computer. New plan. I enable the CD-ROM on the PS2 and try to install it that way again. Okay, it's apparently drive R. If I go to R, does it let me see what's in it? DIR. Is that Windows? Oh, it's Windows 95! Oh, it's right there! Okay, we're gonna boot it. We have to run the installer. I'm excited. Are you ready for the Windows 95 setup on a PS2? Because I sure am. Totally haven't been doing this for like 15 hours. Here we go. Setup. Nope, that's not how you spell setup. I can't tell what I'm typing because the resolution is terrible. I probably should have disabled the scan disk switch. This is gonna take forever. What are the things to cancel scan disk? Hold on. /is. I'm gonna type that. /is. I'm gonna very deliberately press these buttons. It doesn't support /. I need the /. Hello? Oh man. Yeah, we don't get a /. Quick, get another keyboard. Maybe it's this thing. Keyboard. Oh, I can't get it out. It's stuck. Get out of there. What? Got the industrial USB ports causing me to drag the entire PS2 across the table. What if this doesn't even work? Pliers to pull this out. Okay, fine. Turn it off. Oh my god. Ow. Apparently this doesn't support mouse anyway, so The best we're gonna get is looking at a turquoise screen in like a day. Oh, that's nice. We're busting out the Amazon Basics USB hub. It fits now. That's good. This is a really stupid way to plug a keyboard in that's probably not even gonna work. I just need a /. This just doesn't work. There goes that. I guess, it's time to wait for scan disk for like 2 hours. Yeah, wait, there's nothing even on the hard disk. There's nothing for it to scan. Wait, this might be fine. Okay, we don't need a / or /. Can we just set up now? Oh, hell yeah, it's loading. I overthought everything. It's gonna be fine. Windows requires 734,000 bytes available on my C drive. Buddy, there's nothing even in the C drive. There's nothing there. See? Oh, I didn't format it yet. Oh, I'm a moron. Hold on. Format C. Format complete! Yay. Go ahead, perform your routine check. You'll find that I am perfectly healthy. Wow. It's small and in kind of the upper left corner of the screen. Now's the fun part where it crashed before, and hopefully not this time. Oh wait, no, here's the part where it crashed before. Come on, Bochs. Be better than DOSBox. Oh, what? It just went black and oh, there's a cursor on the screen. Windows 90. Oh, hold on. I stopped recording because I thought this was going to take an eternity to load, but it's working right now, and I'm out of storage on my camera. Yay. Oh, hell yes. Does the mouse move? That's the question here. No, absolutely not. The mouse does not move, but that's fine. Does the keyboard work at least? Oh, it does. Oh, this is amazing. Okay, continue. What? What do you mean insert disk 1? There was never a disk 1. I'm just gonna keep clicking OK until it gives me an actual error. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on my computer and just see if it asks for disk 1. It's doing the same thing! Except it's way faster. Okay, well maybe it just doesn't see the CD anymore after it boots into the Windows 95 installer, which I don't know how that's possible because you're in the installer, just see the CD that you booted from. But anyway, guess I'll just use Xcopy to copy the CD contents to the hard drive, since Power ISO just corrupts the entire hard drive. Yeah, that's fun. There's still hope! Ah, cool, I made a directory. Okay, now I need the CD inside of it. It copied like 3 of them. What? Oh, I need the /E switch. There we go. Weezer.impeg. What? There. Okay, if we go to C, and we go to dir, and then we go into Windows 95 installer, and then do that, it looks like the CD. Okay. Can I just run setup in here? I just want to see what it does. Oh no! I just remember we're gonna have to scan disk through all that now. Oh, there's so many things that just cause other problems during this. Okay, setup. Do it. There's absolutely no reason for this to not work now. Oh, it's done scan disking. That was way faster than I was expecting. Setup is preparing Windows 95 setup wizard. It's copying something, and it's at 0%. Yeah, this is the thing that took like 2 seconds to complete on my computer, and like maybe 10 on the 3DS. Oh, we are at 100%. That didn't take as long as I actually thought it was going to, but cool. Yes, I agreed to something, I think. I just want to get to the copying files part. This is probably gonna take all night. I think I'm gonna have to actually let this sit here overnight, which means I'm gonna have to listen to this beautiful fan in my bedroom. I just feel bad for the PS2. I don't want to wake up to magic smoke and find out that the capacitors in the aging power supply have exploded. Whoa! I gotta stop getting so excited about this before I blow a blood vessel in my brain. Well, here's the Windows 95 setup wizard. I guess we're about to collect information about my computer. Yes, my computer, not my PS2. Unless you want to call this the IBM Personal System 2. Oh, user information? I'm a PS2. I would have made a Personal System 2 joke, but I can't put a / or /. Company, Sony. I can't wait to use Windows with no mouse. Analyzing your computer. You know, I will actually scream with joy if I get sound out of this. All right, next, it's analyzing. There's so many steps of not installing before the actual install part. This has taken actually 2 hours so far, by the way. Nah, we don't need a startup disk. Surely that won't come back to bite me later. Start copying files. Yippee! It's doing it! This is definitely, yep, preparing to copy files. Oh, did it do something? Oh no, it didn't. It just switched fields. Man, it's gotta stop doing that. I keep thinking things are happening. Okay, it has genuinely been like 3 hours so far, and we're at 30%. So we're moving at a brisk 1 hour per 10%. I'm going to bed. finished. I just woke up. I don't actually know when it finished. My bet is about 10 hours. Put your bet in the comments below. How long did it take? That's how long it took. Are you surprised? I don't know if I am. Wait, printer? No, I'm not connecting a printer to my PS2. That's not happening. Not in a million years, which is probably how long that would actually take to complete. Setting up hardware. Oh, that looks like the Windows 95 desktop too. Finally. Turquoise. My brain is gonna explode. I'm making monkey noise. There's a desktop. Finally. After, what has it been, like 14 hours of installation? That's gotta be a record for Windows 95. Who has had a longer installation of Windows 95? Oh, the icons are, oh, they're coming back. Don't take this away from me. Welcome to Windows 95 on the PS2. Did you know to open a program, you could just click the start button? Yeah, no, you can't. Yeah, you see, that feature is limited to privileged mouse users. My computer doesn't have one of those. Us keyboard users have to resort to the tab key. Goodbye, welcome to Windows 95. Do we have a mouse now? No, my hopes could have not been any lower. What are you doing? What are you trying to load, Windows 95? Stop it. Does this support the Windows button? Let's find out. Oh, wow, it actually does. I can access the start menu. Quick, we gotta draw something in Paint. Wait, how are we gonna... We can't draw anything because we can't use the mouse. We might be able to draw a dot in the middle of the screen. Oh no, it's too far to the left. I'm never gonna be able to draw anything. Wait, if I hold Alt and then press the letter F, can I save my blank image? Alt F. We have opened the file menu. Okay, I want to save my blank image. My masterpiece. This is like one of those art pieces that's worth like $10 million and it's just a badly drawn circle in the middle of the screen. Except mine has nothing on it. Does that make it worth more? I think it does. Who wants to buy my $12 million blank white box generated by a PS2 emulating Windows 95? Come on, who wants it? Become a member and join my Discord if you want the blank white box. I think it's saving it. My new art piece, white. You know, if this is how Paint runs, how's like Doom gonna run? I keep trying to move the mouse like it's gonna do something. All right, how do I close this? Alt F4? Stop, what are you loading? This is impossible. We have to load the command to close Paint. What is this extra icon right here? I can't read that. Oh, it's my image, blank white box. Oh, hell yeah. What else can be done on Windows 95 on a PS2? Can it play Doom? The only way to find out is to turn this off and put Doom on it and turn it back on and wait like an hour for it to boot up. I hope this doesn't corrupt it immediately. That's the first time this PS2 has been turned off in like 14 hours. What am I fixing? Oh, okay, fix it. Oh my god, what is this? Everything is corrupt? Why are there music notes next to everything? Is it every file on the hard drive? Okay, it's literally every file. Just don't fix it, I don't care. Look, it still boots. Wow, that was a fast loading animation. Whoa, look how fast the time is going. Oh, look, that's the thing where, like, everything was corrupt. What the hell is this? What are these files that are just nothing? It's fine. I can't even double click because time is moving so fast. I just want to install it. Whoa. I can't... What is it? I can't see that. What does that say? Which drive to install to? Oh, good lord, why is it so small? I want to install it to drive C. If this was real time, it would have taken like 6 hours to install this. Okay, we're running Doom on my PC now just to test it. It crashed. Why did it crash? I'm gonna go crazy, I swear. I don't want to put this in the PS2 and it doesn't work. Whoa! Okay, I'm trying the CD version. Oh my god, he's going fast. Ultimate Doom, we're gonna put it in there. That's fine. Oh, it uses DirectX. That can't be good. Oh wow. It's done. Can I launch it without the CD in it? Oh, good, I can actually. I have to change the color depth? What do you mean I have to change the... I only have 16 colors available. The question is getting closer and closer to no about running Doom on this. Okay, hold on. I'll get the DOS one. This is the same installer as the other one. I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, I gotta see if this thing can run Doom. Probably gonna crash, but we don't know until we try. Maybe the emulation was too fast on my PC. Oh, it booted. Amazing. What the f*** is that sound? Alright, Ultimate Doom for Windows 95. Will it launch? Whoa! Wait, is it loading? It's downloading like a JPEG in 1999. Oh, this is just a launcher. Okay, I just got excited for no reason. You need to enter a what? You can't switch fields like that and expect me to read. What does that say? Okay, we've passed its like 15 million requirements. What does it say now? Unable to create game. Why? Why is it unable to create game? Just do it. Can I run the DOS version? I don't even care. Alt F4, get out of here. Please open a very comedically tiny MS-DOS window. Please. This is all I want. This is definitely about to explode. Oh my god. It's loading a character at a time. Is it about to tell me that it's crashing a character at a time? What is this? I wouldn't know because I can't read it because it's in the Minecraft enchantment table language. Do. We loaded Do. I think that's about as far as it's getting. How long has it been loading Doom? It's been loading Doom for 30 minutes. Maybe it's waiting for input. Can I press enter? Oh, I terminated it. You know, it might have actually just crashed. Okay. It cannot run Doom. It can't. It can't run Doom. No, it cannot. Can the PS2 run Windows? Yes! Very badly. What happened? My whole computer just crashed? Holy shit, it fucking did. What happened? Well, I guess we're doing this outro with camera audio now. What a disaster. Okay, well, can the PS2 run Windows 95? Yes. It takes 14 hours to install, but you can. But it's mouseless. Keyboard only. Our second question, could it run Doom? No. Oh, moron, you think it could run Doom after taking 14 hours to install Windows 95? No. Unfortunately not. Can it do anything else? But anyway, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a like. If you'd like to see more, subscribe. Check out my music. And thank you to my members who are scrolling on the screen. This time I'm going to remember to put them there, unlike the last video. And thank you for watching.